Hello, and welcome to this session where we're going to have a look at where templates are stored in the new Outlook and how to utilize them. So when you move to new Outlook, you may wonder where your templates are. So your templates are now stored in an app, and you can simply pin the app to your ribbon and your templates are all still there. So let's just share my screen and show you what we're looking at. So I'm in New Outlook and I go to my insert ribbon here and I go to apps and you can see my templates is on here. So I can pin that then to my ribbon and it's available for me whenever I'm writing an email. And I can literally bring that panel up on the right hand side. So if you use templates a lot, then that panel is there on the right hand side. The whole idea of a template is that it will give you a standard response. It's not automated. It just saves you copying and pasting standard responses all the time, which of course you can edit. Which of course you can edit. So if I want to put my recruitment template in, I can just do that and my recruitment template goes into my email. I want to write a new one. Simply, I create a template and I'm just going to put support call. And it has to be entered in here. So thank you for your email. Please note our support number is 1234 and or contact support at 365 consultants and training for your support help. And then I will confirm that this has been followed up within 3 hours. So in here, I might want to change that. Maybe I bold it and I can do any other formatting, copy that, paste it in there. And you'll notice the formatting does come with it and save. So that once I've got that set up the way I want to, I just click on there and the template is filled in. I can edit how I want and I can send it to anyone. See you next time.